Hi everyone, welcome to Codeviento. In this video, we will solve LetCode 189. Rotate array using an efficient approach. This problem asks to rotate an array to the right by key steps. Given an array a number key, we need to rotate array in place without using extra space. Example, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and key is 2. What will we do? The last element of 5 comes to the right, and at first step it will be 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second step, the last element 4 will come to the right, and the result will be 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. We have a trick explanation here to calculate the key again. Sometimes the number key, which represents how many positions we need to rotate, can be larger than the length of the array. Let's say the array length is 5 and we want to rotate it 10 times. Every 5 rotation, the array returns to its original state. So rotating 10 times is equal 0 effect. That's why we use key equal key mod numbers length to eliminate unnecessary rotations. So rotating 12 times is mean eliminates the first 10 times, so we will just need 2 times rotation. That's why we use key equal key mod numbers length to eliminate unnecessary rotations. This one ensures we only rotate the array as much as actually needed. Let's return to first example. The given array was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the result is 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. We will use reverse method to solve this problem efficiently. Okay, at first step, let's reverse the array, and the result is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then reverse the first key elements. It will 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Reverse the remaining elements, n minus 2, and it will be 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Let's check the code together. We need to calculate the key again by key mod numbers length to eliminate unnecessary rotations. And reverse the numbers from start to end element. And reverse the numbers from start to key minus 1. First 2 elements for our example. And then we need to reverse it again for remaining elements from key to numbers length minus 1. Let's run the tests together and see the results. Perfect, they are accepted. Let's submit the solution. Perfect, the submit result is here. Time complexity is O(n) and the space complexity is O(1). The reverse method is simple but efficient, allowing us to solve the problem in place without extra space. This solution is perfect for coding interview where efficient matters. If you found the solution helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more problem-solving videos. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, friends. See you in the next video.